Hey Globetrotters, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lori. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm coming to you from Grand Cayman. Grand Cayman, along with its sister islands Cayman Brac and Little Cayman, comprise the Caribbean nation known as the Cayman Islands, a British overseas territory and the largest by population. So I'm giving you a brief view of the LOCALE Hotel. They call it local, not locale, where we stayed. And we stayed on the second floor in room 210. To the right, when you enter the room, there is a hanging wardrobe space, and to the left, there is a bathroom, but we'll come back to those in a minute. First, let's explore the sleeping and living areas. There's a built-in desk with plenty chairs. There's 2 chairs there. There are 2 lovely queen beds with modern bed frames. To the end of the room, there is a built-in couch window seat area with cubby space underneath for additional storage. Alexa, what time is it?
It's noon.
When you open the barn door, you enter into this 3-piece bath. So there is a sink, a toilet, and a shower, no tub. However, there were plenty of amenities. You had your mirror, you had your hand towels, your washcloths, your bath rug, as well as your bath towels. There was also body wash, shampoo and conditioner, hand soap, and lotion included. Plenty of amenities for our 3-night, 4-day stay. To the right, when you enter the room, you will see again this hanging wardrobe area. There is a safe, there is an iron, there's an ironing board, and again, more cubby space for plenty of storage. There's a built-in kitchenette area as well with a Keurig and coffee pods, as well as green tea pods, 4 mugs, and in this drawer, there is enough utensils for 4 individuals, as well as a manual wine opener. Below the space is a trash can, and there is this lovely sink incorporated into the countertop for a sleek, modern look. Continuing this space, you will see an area where there are 2 wine glasses, 2 glass tumblers, and enough dinner plates and salad plates for 4. Below that area, there is the microwave as well as the mini fridge that includes a freezer section. So now moving into the main area of the hotel, there is a bar as well as a restaurant, Bonfire Bar and Grill. This is the open lobby area, very, very spacious, clean, lovely music piping throughout the area at all times. There is the seating area where you can sit and wait for your cab, which they are so willing to call for you at any time. There is this luggage cart that you can use with the elevator to get up to your room. There are towels available behind the desk that you can ask anyone at any time. You can use those at either the pool or the beach. There are umbrellas for you to borrow as well. It only rained 1 day while we were there. They were celebrating their 4-year anniversary while we were there. The locale breakfast was included with our stay. However, we did not wake up early enough either of the days to enjoy that, but I just figured that I would show you the menu and what was available. Continuing to the outside of the property, there is this little courtyard area that's very lush. It's just so beautiful. They grew bamboo all around the area for additional privacy. There is this lovely outdoor workout area. There was no indoor gym at this facility. It is a boutique hotel, and with boutique hotels, you're not guaranteed to have things like restaurants, gyms, spas, and all the extras that are included that you pay for in a franchise brand name hotel. So this outside exercise station area is here for anyone who wanted to have a sit-up bar, a pull-up bar. There are ropes to do your little ropes course exercise, whatever you needed to get your blood pumping, to get your cardio in for the day. And then, of course, continuing the space, there is this lovely pool area, large enough for you to take a swim in, do a few laps. The maximum depth is 4 feet. There is also an outdoor shower nearby where you can rinse off before and after using the pool, or after coming from the beach, knock the sand off of you before returning to your room. So again, just another last look at this lush exterior with all the bamboo rustling about. This is a back view of the property, but there's just beautiful art everywhere, and we took full advantage to make sure that we took lots and lots of pictures. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember to value experiences over things, and come back for more travel content. Ciao.